how to increase or decrease the ringtone volume on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the phone application. Then tap on the More button. Next, tap on Settings from the pop-up menu. Then we go down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. In here, you want to go down to the Ringtone and Keypad Tones section. Then tap on Ringtone. Next, at the top here, you can drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to change the ringtone sound. And that's it. Now another way to change the ringtone sound is by pressing on the volume key on the side, then tap on the More button, and in here you can change the ringtone sound. So here we can change the system sound, notification sound, ringtone sound. And that's it. So this is the ringtone bar, and this is the media bar, this is the notifications bar, and this is the volume bar for system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.